This is my 4th or 5th event in CIDC. I have been there in all the events. So Brand Connect Bangalore is one of the awesome event where all the brands are connected together. We have got the inside of the construction people. All the veterans of the construction company are here. All the brands, major brands are here in the event. So this event make us connect all the veterans to the new youth of the construction company. All the development which we are seeing towards construction company are known to us, and a knowledge transfer has been done. So we are a prime sponsor. Muglix is a prime sponsor in this Bangalore Brand Connect from by CIDC. So we have got a huge appreciation on this. What we want to suggest is that it gives us a leverage to connect to the construction company for us, to give your product to the construction company and market it. It's a good event to have a brand connect with all the construction industry. So knowledge transfer is very important part of any industry. All the knowledge should be transferred from one place to another. So this helps the construction industry in a development. All the new technologies which are coming, all the sustainability, all the measures which is taken by the government of India or the construction people need to be transferred to from one to another. So that's why these events are very important to attend and in the company. Today's session was great. It was more focused toward the sustainability, emerging technologies, all the new technologies which are coming to the industry need to be seen. A brand connect, all the major brands were present out here. All the major companies who have sponsored them was there. So it was a great event. Yeah. Whatever it is. Okay. Thank you.
It's very good. And I'm already associated with CIDC. Yes. You get a lot of knowledge in that and a lot of ideas of experts. In my field, I can use it in my day-to-day functioning. Thank you.
My name is Rohit Lamba. I head the marketing and branding at Jindal Steel and Power. Jindal Steel and Power. I think Brand Connect has been a very, very good platform. This is our first time participation at Brand Connect. And it offers a great promising experience for Jindal Steel and Power to showcase our products, to connect with the customers, and also to ensure that we keep offering our world-class technological products to all our customers. We have seen predominantly in the construction space, a lot of material which is being used is not world-class and truly best in class in terms of service and quality. At JSP, we pledged that whatever we produce is not only world-class, but also offers the best quality material which we can offer to our customers. I think through this platform, Brand Connect, we get that opportunity. I think it's been a brilliant session. It's offered us an opportunity to express our commentary and what great products are in the construction and building material industry. And it will also help us connect with all the key stakeholders as we move forward. I'm extremely grateful to CIDC for creating such a stupendous platform. I think through this platform and by sharing knowledge on our key product offerings, the customers will gain a lot in future. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah. My name is Umesh Rao. I represent Instruct as well as ACC. I'm a founder member of Instruct and the Association of Consulting Civil Engineers. I live in Bangalore. Yes.
How did you like the Brand Connect?
Repeat your question, please.
How did you like the Brand Connect Bangalore?
It's been done well, quite well presented, very well organized. It's going on quite well. I've been here right from the inception, starting of the program and going on well. Yes, sir. Knowledge sharing is a very important part because then you reach the people and you understand the people, you connect the people, you can get some of the questions answered or get clarified and enhance your knowledge. So knowledge sharing is a very important part. It's a must in it. In today's session, we are only about, I think, 1/3 way or 30% through. But whatever has been presented so far has been very useful, right from Dr. Swaroop, Tripathi, Sheshadri, and the one that's now going on with Mr. Bharadwaj. I think there's enough information and I think it will be exciting to see what happens further. I think we are only about 30% or 40% through the sessions, and we have to go through another 6 sessions, which are technical sessions, which I hope to be having more exciting. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sunil Prabhakaran, CEO with BBAMS. We are a company specializing in structural audit and structural repairs, MEP audit, MEP repairs, structural health monitoring, MEP health monitoring, etc., etc. So we are into this. We're trying to digitalize, bring new technologies, introducing these technologies in this particular sector. It's any opportunity that arises for connecting with people from the industry, professionals from the industry. It's we look upon it as a great opportunity, and particularly we're very thrilled with the initiatives of CIDC, particularly with the the emerging technologies concept that they have. Okay, so in every sphere of CIDC's activities, like these events and the other so many shows that they carry out all over the country. Okay, this is the opportunity that we are looking for, to connect with people and introduce new technologies too. Well, this is a knowledge economy. So every company that comes here has to be working on their knowledge and training. And sorry, yeah. So it's without knowledge, without training, without improving upon what you were yesterday, okay, without digitalizing, without moving forward, the economy doesn't move forward. So it's something that is the need of the hour. And what happened today, for example, all the sessions that we've had, some brilliant sessions, some very knowledgeable people presenting their their wares. It was really good. I think it'll help these kind of sessions will go a long way in making sure that the industry kind of becomes more cohesive, and we kind of feed off each other. So that's one of the main things. Everybody's knowledge. If you gain knowledge, then I gain knowledge because I'm interacting with you. So it's a kind of a very synergized kind of environment here, and of course the connect that we can establish with each other, okay, and take the entire industry forward. So it's a kind of a federal kind of an arrangement. So it is not just one company that you're focusing on. You're actually focusing on the entire group, and I think CIDC is doing a great job on that.
Your take on today's session?
Well, we are from the repairs industry. There are a lot of participants, a lot of presenters from this industry, and I think that for us particularly, because we've embarked on this digitalizing plan, we've got some really ambitious plans moving forward, and I think what the sessions that we had today was just what the industry needed. Okay, so now later on during the networking that's going to happen, the real impact of what happened during the sessions today will come into play only during the networking that will happen. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. Nice to be at Brand Connect in Bangalore. I'm Aditya Sinha, Map My India.
BanagaloreConnect Bangalore.
It's a very interesting forum. Nice to see both supply side as well as demand side, principal companies on a single forum. I think it's very valuable for the industry in the long run.
Your take on brand connection?
Yes, we've also been thinking. We come from the software, mapping, a different kind of science. But I wanted to see how, I wanted to experience Brand Connect. That's why we are here. Well, it would, because there is a lot of newness in construction, mostly chemical related things that are happening, and as a forum we need to come together to exchange knowledge. So yeah, it'll be very helpful. I'm looking forward to more such events.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure being here.
Hello, I'm Dr. L.R. Manjunath, Vice President, Direct Sales and Sustainability from JSW Group. I'm very happy to be here under the CIDC Brand Connect program. Last year I have been awarded the Technologist of the Year award by CIDC. Um, CIDC brings both the suppliers and the consumers together. Today, you build smart and build economical and build sustainable. That is the mantra. So in this perspective, the Brand Connect will really help to connect the suppliers of green building materials to the consumers like the government department, the builders, the developers. So it's a ecosystem which is being created by CIDs to help prosper each other. It's a very good initiative started by CIDC, and earlier they were only doing at Delhi. Now they are going to other metros like Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Bhubaneswar. Many places they are going. They should extend their reach to many more metro cities so that the awareness is created among the consumers and the suppliers, so that it will help to achieve the objectives.
Your take on today's session?
Excellent session, very good presentations by many manufacturers and also industry experts and government department executives. They talk about sustainability, building new UH constructions using eco-friendly materials, sustainable materials. That is the take home today, and it's a very good initiative started by CIDC, and very happy to be here today. Thank you.
I am Murthy. We are basically engineering consultants for tunnels in India. We do both design as well as project management for tunnels like Atal Tunnel. My organization is PEMS Engineering. We have offices in Delhi and Mumbai. CIDC, we have been engaged with the CIDC for developing tunnel technologies and supporting them with what is happening in the tunnel industry, especially with the new metros coming up and many road tunnels in the hilly terrains. In Bangalore, I am attending this for the first time. It is really very interesting to know from the people whom I interacted here that they all find it very, very encouraging. And there are few startup people also who are learning a lot of things from this JIDC exposure. The data bank, the technology getting upgraded, and the skill development being promoted by CIDC. All these are quite new to people here in Bangalore, and they will be using this for encouraging their business activities and also promoting their progress in business.
How do this knowledge sharing?
As we know, we are in Karnataka and down south. Many things happening, especially during the COVID days, were not clear to us. Now, with so much of knowledge under CID's banner and with the database being shared, we have been able to learn what is happening in new technologies and all. And the many sponsors and people associated with the construction industry have come forward and given a presentation which made us understand that so many things can be utilized for better construction and also for long-lasting structures.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Is okay, no?
That's okay.
Hi, I am Sanjay Melker. I am head of key project management for Sika India. I am headquarters in Bombay.
Okay, sir. How did you like the Brand Connect Bangalore?
The Brand Connect Bangalore is a very interesting, efforts which has been put by, CIDC, and it's a nice platform to bring in all the people together and create a nice database on that. As a participant, as well as representing construction chemical fraternity, it's a very, very interesting, efforts being put in by the CIDC. And the message sent by Dr. Swarup was also giving emphasis on construction chemical, and the right construction chemical is very critical. Such platforms really helps bring in the right technology for the construction fraternity. there has been tremendous efforts, with the progress what we are doing in construction industry. Such kind of activity is very very critical in terms of we looking at being the best of the construction facility in the industry as well as a global market. The world is looking at probably grassroots level engagement training, skill development are very very crucial steps. I see CIDC taking a front role over there, and we all are ready to support that organization.
Your take on today's session?
Today's session has been quite interesting and effective. I think a right amalgamation of the people from the industry, government, fraternity, material science, as well as the consultant and the contractor coming in. Such activity encourages to share knowledge and disseminate knowledge through the platform. Thank you. Done?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hi everyone. Good evening. So this is Ayush from Pro Training Skill Private Limited. So we are a startup which is backed by IIM Ahmedabad, and we are into construction, manufacturing, and mechanical. So we train the professionals who are into this domain. So we are doing this from last couple of 2 years, and currently we have trained around 10,000 plus professionals into this domain, and 200 plus placement has been done as of now. So yeah, this is going good.
Okay. How did you like the Brand Connect Bangalore?
Yeah, so talking about the Brand Connect Bangalore, so being a young entrepreneur into this domain of 19 years old as of now, here professionals from like having a great experience and exposure into this domain got to know more about the construction industry, what exactly is going and what is the future coming up. Talking with big brands like L&T, Shapoorji and Palonji, talking with more young elder people from me, especially gets a great insights about the this particular domain.
Your take on Brand Connect as a participant?
Okay, so as a participant, it is a great exposure because you will be learning about many other things which is currently going in the market industry apart from what you are exactly doing. So as of now, when you are at home, so you only learn to know that what exactly you are doing. But this is an era where you need to talk about more about competitors, so you will obviously understand about them also.
How do this knowledge sharing session help the industry?
Okay, so talking about the knowledge sharing experience and this particular talks where the big people or the knowledgeable people come and share their knowledge. So we are at a phase where everyone is learning, and we also need to get updated from the particular industry. So we need to keep on getting the knowledge. So there is a way either you can directly go search Google and learn, but there is another way where these small events and big events come into play, and we learn from there. So it is a great helpful from every point of view where you'll see and learn from the people who is having a great exposure.
Your take on today's session?
Yeah, so today's session especially regarding construction and this, because I have attended this first event into construction. I have attended prior events into startup domains, but that was more into marketing and other fact. But this was the first construction event organized by CIDC. Very thankful to the CIDC organization committee because this is a very big opportunity to connect with big brands, especially into the construction domain, who are making good amount of money. So we got to learn and we want to connect with them, but that becomes a very hectic part because there is a long process which has to be done there. But this is the personal connect. You can directly talk with the top management level of this particular. So this is a great opportunity from for today's event. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Give your introduction first. Your
Okay.
name,
Yeah, my name is Ankit Pathak. I am from Calvin Plastic Private Limited.
Okay. How did you like the Brand Connect Bangalore?
It was fabulous for us, and I think मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो भी यहाँ पे डिग्निटरीज आए हैं वो डिग्निटरीज से मिल के हमें आज बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. एज एन स्पॉन्सर कैल्विन प्लास्टिक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, हम जो भी स्पॉन्सर हैं हम उसके लिए हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. एंड देन ये बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है फॉर अस. तो हम यहाँ से कनेक्ट करेंगे, फिर लोगों के साथ बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स के साथ हम काम करेंगे, वर्क करेंगे. तो ये दिस इज़ अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर वर्किंग टुगेदर. तो मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है एंड एज एन स्पॉन्सर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
How do this knowledge sharing session help the industry? Industry को कैसे help करें?
बेसिकली हम हमारी प्रोडक्ट हैं वो सभी इंडस्ट्री में सप्लाई करना चाहते हैं. लाइक अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज़ हैं तो उसमें हम हमारी प्रोडक्ट देंगे. कंपेयर टू अनदर कंपनीज़ की कंपेयर में हम कैसे ब्रांड, मतलब हम कैसे डिफरेंट है, तो हम हमारी क्वालिटी पे बिलीव करते हैं, हम हमारी कोर वैल्यूज़ जो है उसके ऊपर बिलीव करते हैं, जैसे कि कंसिस्टेंट क्वालिटी हो गया, डिलीवरी कमिटमेंट हो गया, वैल्यू फॉर मनी हो गया एंड कंटिन्यूस एलिवेशन. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्किंग.
Your take on today's session? आज का जो session आपका कैसा लगा?
आज का सेशन है वो बहुत ही अमेजिंग रहा है, बिकॉज ऑफ क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ से बहुत कुछ सीखा है. दिस इज़ द लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर माई साइड. मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा लर्निंग पॉइंट है और एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो मुझे इतनी बड़ी डिग्निटरीज से मिलने का मौका मिला और सबसे कनेक्ट हुआ, और उसके लिए मैं थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा फॉर द CIDC 10 टास्क फोर्स मीटिंग. या थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi, good evening. My name is Hari Prasad. I am the quality director for the project Seabird. I'll be taking care of around 7 packages, which includes 4 of the marine packages and 4 of the design and build packages. So they are in most of the marine packages are the facilities which is provided for the Indian Navy, and also the residential facilities for the Indian Navy. This is about my introduction.
How did you like the Brand Connect Bengaluru?
The Brand Connect always provides various opportunities to know various brands and in-depth knowledge of what are the upcoming products which is coming. I actually came to know about this from my colleagues and from the Facebook and social networking.
Have you introduced CIDC to your organization?
I have not yet introduced as of now, but soon in the later stage I would definitely would introduce to ADC.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help the industry?
The knowledge sharing session is a very important aspect, right? Especially in this transforming world, we need to understand what actually improvements are happening and evolvements are there. So one company or one country has to come up means we need to transform ourselves. Without this sharing, knowledge sharing ideas, it is very difficult to transform from one level to another level. So it is really important to share these ideas and implement that at wherever we are, and try to verify that whether it's successful or not successful. I would certainly say yes, this is a good opportunity.
You take on today's session?
Yes, I did. I did not take any session.
Yeah. This is Manjunath Reddy from RG Group. We were into construction chemical distribution and application. We are channel partner to Crichton Buildmat India Private Limited, and we are in this industry for last 20 years. We do take up projects pan India, and we are here today to meet and get connect with the industry experts.
How do you like the Brand Connect in Bengaluru?
It's very good platform to connect known and new people to understand the new technologies in the ongoing in the industry.
How many participants here inside the hall?
So there is 100 plus participants I had seen. 200 plus participants I had seen, like from 100 plus corporate. Yeah, and a few of them are known people with whom we are working for long term, and it is a good platform to get connect with them, as well as many of them as new and engaged on day-to-day construction industry at various departments like planning, design, and execution. So we got the opportunity to meet all these people and reconnect ourselves and make more connect, to work more closer with the people. Yeah.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help the industry?
This helps the industry mainly in adapting the new technologies and techniques, whatever globally is coming up, and the new solutions to the new challenges, and knowledge sharing and expert talks will help us in understanding the key solutions to the problems. Yeah. Thank you.
Namaste. Good evening. I am HR Girish, the chairman of the Indian Concrete Institute, Bangalore Center.
How do you like the Brand Connect Bengaluru?
Well, this is a very commendable initiative, I would say, and perhaps this is an initiative which is most required in today's times as we transcend various challenges that we face. It is also paramount for us to get connected to various entities, stakeholders in the industry, and that is where Brand Connect becomes more so relevant in today's times.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help the industry?
Well, today is a world of collaboration. Nothing can happen in isolation, no matter how very efficient or how very competent you are, because there is a knowledge boom out there. Equally, there are so many challenges coming up. Like the saying goes, if you walk alone, you may walk faster, but you'll not walk further, which can be done only by collaboration. And therefore, by these networking exercises, by these exchange of knowledges, it ensures that we do not reinvent the wheel, which we cannot afford to reinvent that. We have to take off from where the others have reached. And that is where this interconnect of knowledge and sharing of experiences becomes so very paramount. That gives an exponential leap to the progress that we all make collectively.
Your take on today's session?
Well, today's session is most welcome, but it should not be a one-off session. This should be a continuing session like CIDC has very rightly envisaged. And today's session, I would say, is yet another stepping stone towards collective progress and prosperity to the society, to the country, and to the industry as a whole. Thank you.
My name is Varun. I am representing a company called Desapex Engineering Consultants. We are a digital engineering company providing building information consulting services for Indian projects here. And we were the first company in the world to get ISO 19650 kite mark, which is a global standard for BIM.
How do you like the Brand Connect Bengaluru?
So it was a very collaborative session. So we knew about this session for the first time, and it helped us to know about a lot of the initiatives taken by CIDC and also the vendor evaluation programs which are there. So I think that will help a lot of emerging companies to see how they can qualify to these kind of public projects.
How do you know CIDC?
So we came to know about CIDC from an email campaign, I think, from the database. So we got introduced via email, and we were interested to be part of this.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help in industry?
No, definitely.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help in industry?
So these knowledge sharing sessions definitely help us because in this growing world now, so we look for information gathering. So these kind of events helps us to get all these informations in a very quick sort of time, and also to know more people and more brands, what other companies are doing, what are the products which are available in the market. So it helps us a lot to collaborate.
Your take on today's session?
So it was a very good informative session since it was the first event for us, but we learnt a lot about how the companies are adopting to the sustainability and the CSR other activities which companies are doing. So it was a very informative session for us. Thank you.
Myself, GC Shivakumar, Chief Engineer Planning and Design, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. So today I have attended Brand Connect at Bangalore. This is a 10th Brand Connect. Yeah.
How do you like the Brand Connect Bengaluru?
Brand Connect Bangalore was very useful. I came to know about the project implementation plan, what they just did it, and other initiatives, and CIDC list of vendors and the process of going for that vendor list. I liked all of that. Yeah.
As a supporting partner, you take on Brand Connect?
Yes. Definitely, I'll try to be in the next Brand Connect.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help the industry?
It definitely helps the industry as a data bank, and it definitely helps in the process of making the whole process more easier. So definitely, it is industry friendly.
Your take on today's session?
Today's session was very nice, and I thank Director General Dr. Swaroop, and then Director Ashutosh ji, and other CIDC members. I thank you very much for the opportunity given for me to be in this Brand Connect. Thank you.
Ready? Okay. Good evening. I'm Dr. Suresh Babu, Chairman of Energy Committee from Federation of Karnataka Chamber of Commerce and Industries, also the CMD of Vasuki Group of Companies. I'm heading the energy sector in the FKCCI. It's a 106 years old organization founded by Sir Vishweshwaraya in the state of Karnataka for industrial development as well as the construction sector. This Brand Connect program was excellent, and the information shared and the presentations was excellent. But my opinion, in Bangalore sector, a lot of construction activities happening. We need to create more and more awareness on the latest technology practices to all the construction sector. Also to develop the skilled workforce, as it is CIDC is working on the skill development activities. Still, it should reach the core skilled workforce, for which FKCCI will come forward to partner with you. How did you like the Brand Connect Bengaluru? It is excellent. It is very informative.
How do these knowledge sharing sessions help the industry?
Knowledge sharing is excellent. Idea is mainly focused on a construction activity. I suggest if we can include the power is also very important. Construction, civil works as well as the electrical energy is more part of the construction sector. So we can include the electrical sector on the knowledge share.
Your take on today's session?
No. Yeah. Thank you. Wish you all the best for the upcoming events, and we would like to partner with you and support these programs. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Arun Karki from Archons. We had a privilege to be in Delhi last year. We had the award received from CIDC for the construction of Coral Factory in Erode. It was constructed in 10 months time flat, 4 lakh square foot facility. Great experience in Delhi, and now I am right here in Bangalore. I feel it's just a great platform where you get connected with so many vendors, so many suppliers, so many specifiers, and quality. Everything been tested out, understood that industry, who all are there, what are the kind of services they're giving. It's a great platform to be in, and I'm sure that this is really going to help the construction industry in a very big way. And I believe that recently they have come out from Delhi. This is, in this year after COVID, this is the second show that they have put up. Many more to come, and I'm sure these kind of shows are really going to help this industry in a big way. Thank you so much.
Hello. This is very happy to tell you. We are from JMC, all this team. But the way we have learned today, it is a great knowledgeable session. We have learned more about what is the steel and how we can procure it, and how can you improve the procurement method in our company. It is a very good session. We are thanks to CIDC team to arranging this.
Regarding sustainability of the product, whatever we are using in the market, so we are getting better knowledge from CIDC. So we always thankful to CIDC, and we want long run association with CIDC in all aspects.
And this concept of Brand Connect is very wisely foresighted. So we do encourage CIDC for this, and we look forward for the further endeavors too.
Hi, I'm Mobile Link. It is actually great thoughts actually. So bringing all procurement in one under one umbrella. So we like to have further improvements, and we would like to have one more session to attend. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shripriya Kaushik, and I'm from Astrix Engineering Products, Coimbatore. We are into manufacturing smart door locks. So we are India's indigenous manufacturer of smart door locks. So you don't have to use your keys anymore, not have to lose the main door keys nor search for them. So you can just use your fingerprint, your number pad, you can just use your mobile probably, and also RFID. So we give you multiple options to choose from. So this is my first event with CIDC. and it was very, very exciting for me to meet so many people of relevance here related to the construction industry. And when you come and visit this kind of conferences, we really understand what CIDC is doing for the construction industry as a whole. So, and as a startup, they've supported me extensively now, and they have committed to supporting all startups also in the innovative space, especially women entrepreneurs. And so much thanks to CIDC for organizing such an event. And they have the multiple sessions at Hyderabad and Bangalore also, and in Bhubaneswar as well, which we'll be super excited to associate with them at Hyderabad. So thank you CIDC for organizing such a wonderful show. I met so many people of relevance, and this would not have been possible if I hadn't come for this show. Thank you. Bye.